Welcome back to the channel, and today I wanted to show you guys what you could expect from the Humano Lima, a new tribute portfolio hotel in Lima, Peru. This hotel is centered upon local authenticity and a community connection. This is the first tribute portfolio hotel in the country of Peru. So we're going to take a look here at what the hotel has to offer. So first I'll show you a review of the Junior Suite. Okay, so this is the Junior Suite at the Humano Lima Tribute Portfolio Hotel in Lima, Peru. So you come in the foyer, you've got the mirror there. So you've got the toilet here. Honestly, yeah, if you're claustrophobic, it might be a little tight when you close that door. But yeah, that's all separate. You got the fan for the toilet. So here you've got some lighting controls with it's nice that they have the card already there for the lights. A lot of times you gotta use your key card, and if you only get one, you can only use that one to control the lights and then take it out. Climate control. Here you've got the vanity. So again, this property 2 weeks old as of this recording. Nice mirror there. So we're using the Aromatherapy Associates London toiletries, soap, body lotion. Here you got a towel here, like a hair dryer. No, that's not a drawer. So you got the one towel. Over here you got another towel. Nice tub. So if you want to soak, yeah, I like the design of this room. So if you want to soak, you got a great view of Wong Single Suit, the grocery store, but you got a nice view of Lima there. That's Parky Kennedy over there, right there. You got the walk-in shower. Not a rainfall, but yeah, I like this, the texture there, the stone. Very aesthetically pleasing room. Shampoo, conditioner, body wash, facial soap. No salts for the tub that I can see. A couple robes here in the closet area. Place to put your luggage. Slippers. Not a ton of storage space, but it suffice. Got the water heater. Got the espresso machine, if you like that. Got some waters here, complimentary. Down here you've got the safe, the fridge, got the love seat over here, and as part of a nice little welcome I guess gift if you want. So you can get a drink there in the Cafe Lima downstairs. That's where the breakfast is served also. So you can choose from these drinks there. Pisco sour, it's gotta be. For me anyway. Got the king bed here. Yes, you do have outlets by the bed, which is important. Got the standard outlet and the Peruvian outlet, wireless charging with the clock. Got a QR code to look up their services. You can also scan it on the TV there, I'm sure, for room service. If you saw the view, got a work desk, so that's good. And again, you got power on both sides, power at the work desk, that's key. USB A and C port. Thank you. Here's a view. You don't really quite have a view, doesn't quite go all the way down to the ocean, but good enough though. Yeah, this is a nice addition to the Bonvoy portfolio here. Nice new addition, so this will give you another option to stay at if you're staying with Marriott Bonvoy program. So this is the Junior Suite at the Humano Lima, a tribute portfolio. Okay, so this was the anniversary gift, or if you will, that they gave to us, which is a nice touch. They asked for a picture in the email. I told them we were celebrating it, so they really went above and beyond there. Been really lucky as of late with between birthday celebrations and now the anniversary celebration. So Nice touch by the hotel. This is the Cafe de Lima. This is the restaurant on the ground floor. I'll tell you more about the one on the top floor. Here's a quick look at the menu. Here's what they offer. So it's more traditional Peruvian dishes. So we've got one traditional Peruvian dish, the lomo saltado, of course, pisco sours. As you saw, the free drink card in the junior suite room. And I had Milanesa and a surprise dessert from the chef. I actually got a behind the scenes look at the kitchen in this hotel. You'll want to check that out as well. So surprise dessert, that was lucma, ice cream with lucma and chocolate. This is the restaurant upstairs. It's not open until May 5th. Unfortunately, we were a few days early at this hotel. The pool is also up here. So I'm going to have to come back and check out the restaurant, which is going to be more of like a grilled like meats restaurant up there. So you've got the pool area. Pretty private, actually. You need to step up the stairs for the view of it, but just a really relaxing pool. Nothing really to swim in, just to chill and relax. Got the gym. This is on the 9th floor, 24 hours, and again, brand new. This hotel's brand new. And we're talking 3 weeks old, I think, of filming this. So pretty basic gym. I guess if you consider this kind of a boutique hotel, you wouldn't expect the gym to be that large, but it suffice. There, you've got a nice view. I don't know if you can get out there or not. Breakfast was included as a Marriott Bonvoy Platinum member. Those are the things you can order. Those are included. You can order those a la carte. And here's a look at the breakfast spread. So overall, my opinion in this hotel, great location. You're really close to Parque Kennedy. You're close. I mean, you can walk down to the Malecon, so it's a good location. I think in Lima, again, the newest Bonvoy property in Lima, first Tribute Portfolio collection hotel in Peru. So I think it's a nice addition. Good. I think it's a good value points wise. Again, you get breakfast, you've got solid food. Breakfast is good. And again, I have to come back to try the restaurant on the rooftop. So as always, I appreciate you guys watching. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this with a friend. And I'm going to leave you with, I think, what the values of this hotel is centered upon. Thank you.
The Decima is a poetry form with 10 lines with rhythm and rhyme that came from Spain but became something uniquely Peruvian. That blends with Afro-Peruvian music, that blends with everyday experiences and different people from our culture. And it's not only tradition, it's in the present. And if you cannot understand now, you will when you hear it, because there is a difference between knowing what it is and actually feel it and hear it when you perform it.